Hey everyone, this is Ben. Let's see what latitude and longitude mean on maps.
Okay, this is the map of the Earth. This horizontal line in the middle of this map represents the equator, which is actually a latitude. And this vertical line in the middle of this map represents the prime meridian, which is actually a longitude. When these lines intersect, we have 0 point. Latitude ranges from -90 degrees to 90 degrees, and longitude ranges from -180 degrees to 180 degrees. Each point on this grid represents a coordinate. For example, if we travel from 0 to 40 on the latitude lines and from 0 to 80 on the longitude lines, we arrive at this coordinate, which represents Xinjiang in China. And if we travel from 0 to -50 on the longitude lines and from 0 to -20 on the latitude lines, we arrive at this coordinate, which represents somewhere in Brazil. Now let's go to Google Maps. And here in the search box, we can enter latitude, a comma, and longitude. And search. Here it is, Brazil. And here you see -20.0 and -50.0. And this is called decimal degrees or DD format. These zeros indicate the decimal fraction of degrees. In decimal degree format, the fraction of degrees after the decimal point represents the portion of minutes and seconds. And this is DMS format or degrees, minutes, and seconds. We have the degree here, and the letter S indicates that the location is south of the equator because the latitude is negative. Each degree of latitude or longitude is divided into 60 minutes, and each minute is further divided into 60 seconds. So here we have minutes and seconds. And also for longitude, W stands for west of the prime meridian, because here is negative, and minutes and seconds. Let me show you a more detailed coordinate. Alright, now we are here. But if I right click here, we can obtain the location. You can see that we have a detailed coordinate, latitude and longitude. Click on it and it will be copied to the clipboard and paste it here. You see that? It's very long. Alright, here we are at this location. Now let's see how to convert this to this. Alright. First, the degree is same, so we put it here, and since it is negative, put S to indicate it's south of the equator. Next, let's convert the decimal part. Okay. And multiply it by 60. And take the whole number as the minutes. And yes, it is correct. Next, take the decimal part of the result and again multiply it by 60. And here we have seconds. and we can round the decimal. And done. 16 minutes and 23.2 seconds. And south of the equator. You can follow the same steps for the longitude. Now let's see how to convert this to decimal format. First, put the degree. Since it is south of the equator, make it negative. And here we have 16 minutes and 23.2 seconds. First, convert 16 minutes to seconds. Next, add the 23.2 seconds to it. Okay, we have 983.2 seconds, which is equivalent to this. Then divide it by 60. And divide the result by 60 once again. Okay, done. Just put it here, and as you can see, the result is almost the same. However, we haven't considered the decimal values in detail. You can follow the same steps for the longitude. As you have seen, S or south is used for negative latitude. W or west is used for negative longitude. But if they were positive, for example, 50 and 50, for latitude we use N for north, and for longitude we use E for east.